This airdrop started exactly 2 hours ago, and people are already cashing out real money. Let me show you how you can get 5 Sol in just a few clicks. No scam. And yes, it's all related to Solana, one of the most popular coins right now. Personally, I got $200 just for visiting the site, and my friend got $500. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little angry. However, this is a real opportunity. These drops don't last forever. Here's what you need to do. Go to the site, click the bonus button, and link your wallet. Any Phantom, MetaMask, or other Solana-compatible wallet will work. Connect, and the money is yours. That's it. No registration, no KYC, no nonsense. It works. Twitter is already blowing up with screenshots of people claiming their payouts. And let me tell you, these things don't last long. It can be fixed, limited, or disabled at any moment. So get your wallet and you're done. Let me know in the comments how much you got. I'm curious. And don't forget to subscribe because I post airdrops, tricks, and tools for making money almost every day. Be the first, be quick, be smart.